Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create a panning effect in CapCut. So first, of course, just add your clips and go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub tab and then select the play pendulum effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the effects like this. So for the intensity, lower it to around 30 and then twist 5 and then speed 40, sharpen 50. Go back and then click on the check icon and make sure that the effects apply to all of the clips, and then go to the video effects again. Now find distortion and select the ripple distortion. Okay, click on adjust, sharpen and blur 0 and size 25, speed 30 and then intensity 40 and last twist 0. Click on the check icon and now you are done with the panning effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks below. Bye.